So we got to our field, we just mixed up a batch of our fungicide products. So we're using Miravis Ace, spraying wheat. So that's our go-to product for that. Fungicide, the goal is to keep the plant healthy, maximize yield potential. Used our mix tank, pumped in water, added the product. We're letting it agitate, and then we'll get ready to pump that out to the drone with our hose reel. So this drone is new this year. This is from a brand called Hylio. They're out of Texas. It's a 50-liter drone. The model is a 150. So far it's been a good machine, very sleek and simple. The drone itself weighs about 70 pounds. The batteries that it uses weigh about 30. And then maximum takeoff weight is 233 pounds. I have the field mapped. I'll upload the mission to the drone. So I just need to name it, add my products, and set my flight parameters. So parameters like altitude and speed, and then my dosage, so gallons per acre. The drone knows where it's flying and what it's supposed to do. It establishes its flight pattern, a start point and a stop point. And after checking settings, we're ready to go. The drone's equipped with flow meters, so that are calibrated to have the exact amount. So we're measuring down to the 1/100th of a gallon of the product being dispensed. The drone's keeping a live record of the acres it's covering as it goes across the field, as well as measuring the product that we're mixing and filling the drone with. We're keeping a very, very precise measurement on what's getting out here on each field. Important is obviously cost. We don't want to be over applying anything. A fungicide can be up to over $20 an acre for just the products, and on top of our application rate, which can range from $10 to $15 per acre, we want to be utilizing our product the best we can, and also not to be wasteful. The application rate on these products are set, so we know what we need to be spraying and don't need to overbuy to get the same result.